Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking at the budgie lovebirds. So guys, this time it's a different pair, and if you can see, they have 3 babies as well. So this is a crested mother and a regular daddy that has 3 babies that are in the nesting box. If you look up, the 2 big babies have been fed, and so it's only the little babies left. So you can see their craw is full and all of that. So when you look at them, you really see the yellow looking thing. Remember, that is the egg food. I did a video on that, so you can go back and watch it if you never see it. Yes, so look there, it's so big, pulling them in, you can barely move. So the birds that you are seeing, the yellow one, yellow and green, was mommy, and the other color was daddy. But yeah guys, so with me account right at 6, that was it so far, 6 babies so far. So we just have to go do this to take care of them so that they can come to adulthood. Anyway guys, remember to like our video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell.